Are you tired of settling for ordinary car cleanings, ready to experience something truly extraordinary? Well, buckle up because we're about to take you on a thrilling journey to Euphoria Auto Detailing. Welcome to the world of automotive perfection right here in Toronto. At Euphoria Auto Detailing, we don't just clean cars, we transform them into works of art that will make your heart race. Step inside our state-of-the-art facility where our team of passionate experts immerses themselves in every nook and cranny of your car's interior. They leave no speck of dust unturned, ensuring an immaculate and luxurious space that will make you never want to leave. But the thrill doesn't end there. Brace yourself for the jaw-dropping magic happening on the outside. Our dedicated technicians employ cutting-edge techniques to restore your car's paint to an incredible head-turning shine that will make jaws drop and cameras click. And hold on tight because we don't just stop at the surface. Our masterful technicians dive deep into the heart of your car's engine, unleashing its full potential and ensuring an exhilarating ride every time you hit the accelerator. See the euphoria on the faces of our thrilled customers as they hit the streets in their transformed vehicles, radiating confidence and style. So what are you waiting for? Don't settle for anything less than euphoria. Call us now to secure your spot and become a part of the exclusive club that experiences true automotive bliss with Euphoria Auto Detailing.